total body enhancement. Hit your start stop button. It'll turn on, shut the door. Of course, stand in your right spot here on the ground. If you use this right here, we'll scroll down. So this sets your fan. I like it on really low. There's your volume. This sets the music. Pick your player. There's your music. You can pick a different song. This is the most important. This is your vibrating plate. So 1 would be your lowest setting. So you might want to try that. And then you can go right to it. So I like to run mine on 3, but I recommend 1 for beginning. And then from here, you're good to go. You can adjust the volume. Want to kick up the volume a little bit, you can hear it went up. And then you're ready to go. Just sit with your feet on here and just try to bend your knees a little bit and stand tall. Think about your posture, maybe stretching, breathing a little bit, and just enjoy the ride.